Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. In this video, we are going to discuss Slicer in Excel. Slicer allows us to filter the data visually from regular table, pivot and pivot chart. We can filter data based on different fields. Let's try it out in Excel. The table contains store and regional sales data. It has columns, ID, store number, sales region and so on. Let's create a slicer for this data. For that, we have to select any cell, then go to Insert, then Slicer. A dialog box is opened. Select a connection or this workbook data model. Connection in this workbook, no connection found because we cannot create a slicer in normal data set. We have to convert the data set into a table or a pivot table or pivot chart. Let's try all these three options one by one. Let's cancel this, then select any cell, then go to Insert tab. Here you'll get option to create a table. Click that option table, then click OK. Now the data is converted to a table. Now to create a slicer, just click in any cell of the table, then go to Insert, then Filters, then Slicer. A dialog box is opened. You will get the list of column names that is present in our data set. We can choose any of these column names to create a slicer for our database. Let's select sales region, click OK. A slicer has been created. Let's click on this East sales region. Here you will get all the data or records based on East region. Let's try this North and South. To select multiple options, we have to hold the control key, then select the region, and here you can see all the records for all the three regions, East, North and South. We can also create multiple slicer. For that we have to select any cell from the data, then go to Insert, then Slicer. Let's create a slicer for month, then click OK. Let's display the data for East region for the month of November. And here you go. Likewise, we can select different regions and months to display the data. Let's create a pivot table and create a slice. Just select any cell, then go to Insert, then Pivot Table, New Worksheet, then click OK. A new worksheet with empty pivot table has been created. Let's create a pivot table for item description and number of units sold. Then let's create a slicer. For that, select any cell from the pivot table, then go to Insert, then Slicer. Let's create a slicer for sales region and click OK. Let's filter the record based on East region, and here you can see the number of units sold for East region has been displayed. Let's do it for North region, South region. Let's create a pivot chart. For that, select any cell from the pivot table, go to Pivot Table Analyze. Then here you'll get option to create pivot chart. Let's create a column chart. Here the data is displayed based on East region. Let's make it North. Here you can see the data has been changed, or the display has been changed. Let's make it for South region. That's all for this video. Thank you.